stream where I am showing the progress of me making the action RPG game without engine using the C++, BGFX SDL free and our libraries. So currently I'm on day 141 and my progress is 18.4%. Estimated release is January 26, but that's of course estimation. So I'm not in good mental space right now. So what does it mean? I am not going to stream for long. Just stream little bit and then probably play some games and wind out, or maybe watch YouTube. But I want to do at least a little bit of stream every day. Same thing with walking, like a little bit of walking, doesn't matter for how long. Today I actually did not. Normally I do like a full circle, and there is like 3 different types of circles, and depending on how I feel I can go like a long one, like a medium one, or short one. And today I even could not do like a short one, so I went up the road and then turned around and went back. But I consider it as a count because I put my shoes on, went out of the outside. So same thing with the game development, making the game. So I push the stream button, and actually I can push the stop, but I'll do something. I was tweaking the let me quickly do it. So I was tweaking the task switcher, and I'm not liking it. So flip switch, compact. So let's go back to compact. So I was using compact, but I wasn't kind of happy with it, and I was thinking I should switch to something else, and I find another one, and I just not liking it. So compact I think is way better. You cannot see it because my capturing software does not capture it. Anyways, so let's go here, and so what I'm want to do is put some sci-fi elements inside the cave. It's like wires or some sci-fi looking devices. Okay. So let's search for static mesh. Wires, or maybe cables. ceiling wires. Ceiling wires. Mm. Mm. I don't know. So maybe that one. I don't know, it's just a box. Yeah, I do not know what is it. Oh yeah, that's, I kind of like that. So let's have this one. I guess it's in conjunction with something else. Let me see if there is a... no. Oh, it's a Soul City. Soul City, and let's look at the levels overview. Product designer, hello. Nice tag. Product design KF. I guess if I remove the wood and put some stone in it, that may have some interesting look. Yeah, maybe I'll take that. So let me export that intermediate, and let's do GLB, save. Do I have Steam page for that game? Not yet. I'm planning to have it in next year, 2027. Then will release the demo. But I do have several games on Steam. So Steam, not SteamDB, Steam powered, right? I forgot what is the name. Yeah, Steam powered. So the latest game what I released is Rise of Clara under One Electron Universe. So I kind of decided to make the company.
Mika asked, HTTPS link.
In quotes, there is no like actual entity, registered entity as a company. Come on, don't steal my focus. And our games I made under
in a world where supernatural ability
Mika Pi. I know, I can just do developer Mika Pi.
HTTPS link.
Oh, I'm like telling you in advance, the games are horrible. So, but I'm trying. This what matters. Okay, so now let me open Blender and sacrifice the cube and import GLTF. Yeah, I'm literally falling apart. Like little bit. I'll stream little bit and shut it down. Where is it? Assets, intermediate. Vent. Okay. It's okay. At least you ship something. I don't want to distract you anymore. I'll let you work now. Best of luck. Feel free to distract me. I'm streaming for reasons to be distracted, I guess. So don't worry about that. If you have more questions, feel free to ask. So I'm thinking, instead of this blank, I probably should like maybe I can just remove it. It's like, let's see if I'll just remove it. Oh, I don't know how. What would be the best way to remove it? They're not connected, which is kind of annoying. Ugh. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. I just think wood is not matching the my vision of the how their world is built. I think underground is going to be really hard to find the wood, so for this reason I don't think wooden platform is kind of matching with the world. So this is why I'm removing. The pipes are depend on the wood log. Maybe modify them too. We will see how it's gonna look like. I maybe put some stone and raise it, so like maybe some stone platform, and I have like some of stone platforms. So we will see. Okay, so let's save like what I'm going to do. I need a collection export. I guess I'll just keep the name like this. Like, why I should rename. So, and maybe I'll put it against the wall and have like some stone here, and this would just go down. I think it's gonna be pretty good. So except this one, so maybe I need to adjust this one, this end, but I'll first put it in the game and see how it's gonna work, how it's gonna look like. So let's save, call it vent slums vent, and I'm going to. So I have a kind of trick. I do not know if there is a better way to collect textures. So I do like a pack resources, and then I do unpack resources, and in that case, like I can see all these textures went here, and now I can delete that one. Slum vent blend. So let me add that into the in here, slam and ban, get the name, Control C, Control V, and it's going to be mesh asset. For how long have been working on your game? For roughly for 4 months. So you can see in the title it's a day 141. So it's divided by 3. It's almost 5 months. Mesh asset. Dot call shape meta equals mesh, not mesh, I think convex full call meta, and let's put it somewhere here. Sort. Okay. And then assets. So I guess I'll just do it this way. Compile. Okay. So now let's oh, I do not even have a debugger. So run the editor. Okay, so let's try to put it somewhere here. Okay, so I need to rotate it on Z. And I need some sort of support for that, right? I can probably maybe I can take that one, put it upside down. Come on. So let's see. Yeah, I think it's this looks believable. So have this one. Should I put like let's put it next to each door. So Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It looks pretty good. Okay, let's take this one and put it upside down. I can probably just not even do upside down trick. I'll just... The engine looks good, thank you. Scale. Okay, and let's put next to that door. I do not know. I don't think we do have space. I guess if I put it here, it should be fine. And take that. Okay. So one sci-fi element in the Crystal Sanctuary. Let's see how it's gonna look like in the game. So I'm going downstairs. Oh. Yeah, okay. So there is stuff here. Pretty cool, huh? Oh. The texture's kind of strange. Yeah, there is a strange texture here. I do not know why. Let's see. Here it looks... Ah, it's stretched too. Ah. Okay. I mean, what can I do? The source is broken. It's not the engine issue. Don't save. So... Slam vents. This is all cool, to be honest. Thank you, dude. Okay, so let's make the commit. I think I ran out of my quota, so I blow up my budget for the GitHub usage. And slums went into the crystal jury in the crystal sanctuary.
Add slums vent into the crystal sanctuary.
Crystal sanctuary. So let's see if I would be able to push. Okay, so seems to be fine. I do not know why it was saying I ran out of quota. I guess something bugged in GitHub. GitHub is a very unstable platform. Not sure how they managed to do it. I do work right now in the game studio, AAA game studio. This is my passion work. So for 10 years. So 10 years ago I get in the AAA game studio as a software engineer. Okay, so let's go to Unreal and find more interesting stuff. So cables. Maybe I should search for cables. Maybe I should. Let's type cables. So how about you? Are you? I'm making games. I guess like product design. I do not know what is, or maybe you're making YouTube videos about product design. I can probably put those like across the walls everywhere. That might be interesting. There's like this one. Not sure. I want something like kind of messy. So it's I want to look at little bit messy. And those ones are kind of organized. I don't know, maybe none. It's like this one. Maybe like if I yeah. I probably can put it on the ceiling. It's like a several places. Yeah, that will create like some sort of sense of mess. It doesn't have material though. That's not good. How about this one? This is the corner. I don't know, maybe this one would be okay. So like rotate it 90 degrees and put it on the wall. Oh, I see. Yeah, I guess that would work. So let me try. I'm a product designer, that what I studied in university and do for work. I have a technical background, but I'm slowly learning C++ to make my own game. The design experience helped me for sure. That's cool. Yeah. Are you going to make the game without using the engine, or you're going to use some engine? It's like if you mentioned C++, maybe Unreal Engine, if you're going to use the engine. I do not know what other languages using C++ as a scripting language. Maybe tech uses C++ as a scripting language. I do not know. Okay, let's try this one. So let's go and export GLB, save, export. Okay, Blender. Sacrifice the cube. Import GLB assets, intermediate, cables, import, new collection, export, move it here. I think I don't need to do anything with that. It's good to go. Yeah. So I need to do pack resources and unpack resources. I tried Unreal, it didn't really work for me. Found myself stuck in tutorials most of the time. Godot use CPP. That's true, Godot use CPP. I'm not sure if C++ and Godot is a first class citizen. So then I was trying Godot. C++ did not feel like this. It's like iteration loop was terrible. I think they fixed the linking issue for Godot, because the biggest problem was its iteration loop. You made small changes and then linking was taking ages. It was horrible. I think it was taking minutes. So it was very unpleasant experience to script the game in C++ and Godot. But I think lately they fixed it. They started using a different linker, which is way faster. Okay, save, and let's call it cables, cables, save. So cables, and cables. Put it here. Okay, so let's rebuild. So what make you to use C++? Hmm. Why it's so wide? Hmm. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. The wall is too uneven. As well, it's super wide. I do not know why it's wide. Let's see if there is errors. I'm not seeing any errors. I want to make my own 2D engine and create my game. Learn the process of that. You want to make your own 2D engine. So like this, I think he's German, right? Cakes. Right now, oh, you're using SFML. That's cool. What is his name? Cakes. He recently released his tower defense game. Cakes, I think. Yeah, that guy. Oh no, not that guy. That guy. Why I'm not subscribed to him? That's weird. Huh. I thought I'm subscribed to that guy. Oh, there is so little subscribers for some reason. I'm confused. Oh, I think maybe this is the I guess it's a channel where he's just playing games. His YouTube is way bigger. I'm confused. Huh. Anyways, I was talking about that guy. For some reason I'm not subscribed, wasn't subscribed first, and second, I had impression he has like a million of subscribers. Anyways, so he made a tower defense game. So I don't like these cables. I don't know. So maybe it may work if I can fix the material. Like here it looks good. So maybe I pack resources, unable to pack file, source file not found. Oh, interesting. Ah, save. So I did not save, maybe this is the problem. Texture paint. Save. Save. So now it's gonna work maybe. So let's try again. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? No, oh, it's black now. Okay. Actually, this might be working. Oh my god, what's going on? Come on, snap. Why you refuse to snap? Is it like not modular? Oh shoot, it's not modular. Or it is modular. They are not align. They are not aligning. Oh, they are not aligning maybe because rotation is messed up. So let's see. Okay. Come on. No, I don't think they are aligning. So disable snapping. Guess they're supposed to align, but because of rotation they are not aligning. I have to have super steady hands. Anyways, and I don't know. I guess it's fine. Maybe I should as well make it like this. Alright. Should I do it like for all of them? So let's do for all of them. Oop. I use shortcuts for everything. I like to use shortcuts, that's true. But as well, sometimes I'm not remembering, so I use menu, of course. It's like I cannot memorize everything, but I prefer to use shortcuts, that's true. So there is a, it's like here is it, there is a sort of maybe I can put that stone here. Or maybe I can make it higher. This would be kind of interesting. It's like something is giving the energy to that guy. So if I look from here, yeah, I think it looks cool. But if I look from here, it's kind of let me, yeah, I guess maybe I should oh yeah, like this maybe. Yeah, that's nice. So I had like a here and here. I guess it's nice accents. Oh. So maybe I can put like a cable here between these two stones, just for fun. Okay, let's see how it's gonna look like in the game. Run game. Nice. There is this cable. Let's see. So I'm going to activate the crystal. It's going to open the door. Probably I should probably move that cable higher. We all have lows and highs. Stay strong. And this is my first time checking your channel and your journey. I'm really impressed and wish you nothing but grace. Thank you for really kind words, and that's true. We always have low and highs, and today is a little bit low, but I'm trying to do game development every day, and it's like it's very hard for me to start, but as soon as I start, it gives me so much joy. So thank you for really nice words. Okay, I need to move it a little bit higher. Oh. Okay, just little bit. So maybe like this. Okay. I think it was on the blue, right? Okay, so let's open the door. Yeah, perfect. And I put the cable somewhere like here. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Dude, that looks so good. Okay. So let's see what we can add. Let me search for sci-fi. So sci-fi. Some glowing stuff, that would be interesting. Yeah. Nitrix Ninja. As product design mentioned, sometimes there is a low, there is a high. Today is a little bit on the low side, but the game development is my passion, and it helps me to focus on the game and enjoy the game development rather than to get in my dark thoughts, be in my dark thoughts. Camera wall, canopy. So I like that one. So maybe this like a pink glowing stuff. It's interesting. I do not know where I can put it, but let's open it for now, and I'll figure out later. Oh, those barrels are... they are too clean. I want them to be dirty, but I guess I can put them in the city. That would be interesting. If you are not in the engine, why you're browsing assets from Unreal? can you import those directly into my game? Not directly. So I'm doing to GLTF, and then from GLTF I'm putting them in the Blender, and my game can pull assets from the Blender. I collected a bunch of assets in the Epic asset store, so I'm using them from Epic asset store. I was using an Unreal Engine for about 7 years, so over 7 years I collected a lot of assets. Man, that bench looks so nice, but it's not matching. It does not match. Very cool, thank you for context. I'm guessing you have an asset pipeline to automate some of those steps. Yeah, so like automation happens from the Blender side. So as soon as I click press save on Blender side, everything else is automated. There is a script which pulling stuff from Blender and converting them to GLTF format, and then as well taking the textures and converting them to BC3 format, which is a image compression for GPU. Cabinet. Oh, guess please be dirty. It's not dirty. Okay. I want to have sci-fi and dirty. Cable connectors. Cargo container. That's good. I guess cargo containers. Yeah, that's pretty gritty, rusty, so that would work. So, and I can put them in rooms. Okay, so cargo container is good. You mentioned you play. What are you currently playing? Minecraft. Currently, I did install Minecraft, and I was because I did not play Minecraft for a long time. It's like most of the time, then either I'm working or I watch YouTube or sleeping. So there is not too much time for me to play. Oh, actually, I played little bit of Forza 5, but it's kind of I do not know if you can call it playing, because I'm just driving around for 30 minutes like crazy everywhere and just crashing the car and just bumping on the cactuses and stones and like not even racing. It's just like a race, driving without any purpose everywhere, and then yeah, for half an hour, and this is my kind of fun. I would not even call it playing. Oh, flower porn. Look, I can probably put that, and on top of that I can put element That might be interesting. Yeah, so let's keep that. Let's have this cargo container. Yeah, today I was thinking to play Minecraft because Minecraft is very relaxing game for me. So just playing little bit of Minecraft. Although I might be just stream for longer because like while I'm doing that I kind of feel better. Surprisingly. House detail. Wow. Yeah, that I guess. I do not know what it is, but it looks very sci-fi. And yeah, I can put it like next to the door, other side of the door. That might be interesting. Oh, what if I use that one as instead of the stone? Oh yeah, I think that's a better one. Yeah, I can maybe scale it properly. Yeah, let's do instead of like a stone pillar. Yeah, I do not know if I want to have a lamp. Hmm. Where I can put it though? Maybe I can put it probably vertically next to the door. A med bottle. I would definitely need the med bottle. But let's do it later. Microscope. I definitely would need the microscope, but not now. I have to remember there is a microscope. So maybe I can put this thing somewhere. That capsule. Oh. Um. I do not have transparency. Would be interesting how my engine going to render that. We can try. Plant grower. Oh, the end. Those props are looking really nice. Super gritty. So I was thinking to put this like a radar sphere in the different place. Yeah, let's do it later. So what is that? Can put it on the wall. Yeah. That crate interesting. It's not dirty enough. Yeah, this is the. It's too big. It's a house, right? Table. Oh yeah, I like the table. Oh, it has as well like interesting symbols on the side. That's cool. That switch can go somewhere. Now, how about that table? Ooh. Okay. I do not know what I want to do with that. It just looks cool. Yeah, I'll keep it. So like this one. Export GLB export. Man, it takes forever for some reason. There is a lot of materials. It might be not good prop because it has a lot of materials. Each material is additional draw call. I'll see how it's gonna look like in Blender. If it's a lot of materials, I would not use it. Okay. Let's go to Blender and you get rid of the cube, sacrifice the cube. Import GLB. It's intermediate, so it was cargo, right? Let's see. Oh yeah, look at this, how many materials it has. That's not good. It's like just for one prom have so many materials. I'm prepping myself for game dev. Been a web dev for last 6 years, and I'm planning of building super small game to learn Pong replica chess, etc. Considering Godot, but I like the idea of Unreal. Yeah, I think Unreal Engine is very good at two scales of projects. It's very good at small scale projects and very good at large scale projects. So what I kind of learning to myself, because my projects are mid-size projects, it's not very good, because at some point it adds so much friction at mid-level. It's kind of there is no benefits of using Unreal Engine. But for small size projects, it's small, and Unreal Engine relatively fast to start up. I guess I mean it's still a bit slow, but it's not like takes minutes. It's maybe gonna take like 10-20 seconds to start up, so it's not too bad, especially at small projects. Then it's getting big project, of course, like there is so many assets, it takes forever to load, but at big projects there is a way more different types of overheads, so the overhead what Unreal Engine is adding is becoming like negligible. So yeah, I guess it makes sense to if you want to make small game, to use Unreal. Yeah. Okay, so that crate is too big, have too many materials, so I don't think I should use it. It's not good, so let's delete it. I did not still decide what to do with that. Oh yeah, so that one. Oh, actually I can see how many materials are here. So 3 materials, one is glowing material. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's fine. So, and I kind of like it. Asset action, migrate. Oh, not migrate. Asset action, export to GLTFB and save. Export. So there is a free materials only. Okay, so flower pot, Blender, import GLTF, flower pot import. Okay. Okay, so new collection, call it export, move it here. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna look like this in my game. I don't have anyways, it's not going to look like this, but still shape is good, so let's save it. Let's call it sci-fi props, maybe. Sci-fi props.
Sci-fi props.
Okay. So pack resources, unpack resources, save. Oh man. That's too much. Let's make it do. So I'm going to close Blender and I'm going to delete all these files. Yeah, it should be fine. Sci-fi props. Okay. Blender, sacrifice the cube, and import GLB intermediate. This one, create a collection, call the collection export, put the pot inside the export collection, then pack resources and unpack resources, then save and call it sci-fi props.
Sci-fi props.
Save. So there is no textures. Might be true. There is a might be. This is transparent. Oh. Shading. That's interesting. What is this? GLTF material output. Okay. I mean, there is no textures. I guess that's okay. We can survive without textures. So sci-fi props. So we're done with cables. I'm kind of worrying it's going to crash. I do not know. Maybe it will not. Let's see. The material setup was kind of weird. Did not crash. Okay. I'm taking it. So it's like I put this in the corner. Oh, it's too small. It's very small, but I think maybe it's fine. So put it that corner, that corner. So maybe like this. So Okay. Where did I put I do not remember where is it. Should be here probably. Oh yeah, so and blue one I forgot what is the blue one. It's a balance. So I'll put balance here. Harmony, I mean. It's harmony. Okay, so harmony here, essence here, flower pot, essence. Okay, and entropy here. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna look like in game. That one. Okay. So let's go. That one. Yeah, it has only one material slot, so it's very good. So let's asset action, export, intermediate, GLB, save, export, house detail. House detail. Okay, let's do import GLB house detail import. Oh, it's quite big. Huh. Anyways, I always can scale it. So pack resources, unpack resources, save, same house detail. Control C. What? Control C. So I want to put that somewhere here on the right side. Maybe it's too big, so maybe scale it down like this. Let's maybe even smaller. Yeah, I guess that would do. Okay. Hey, I got the perfect height for that. Okay. Oh yeah, so that going to be under the barrel. So how many? To one material. Asset action, export, GLB, save, export. Okay, go to Blender, file, import, GLB, and hydraulic pillar. It's quite big, but again, I always can scale it. And external data, unpack resources. External data, pack resources, external data, unpack resources. Right. Save. Okay. Control C. Okay, so under that I'm going to put that one. So let's delete that. Yeah, I think it looks way better than the stone underneath, right? Okay, so that looks way better. Yeah, that's way better. Okay. So, I'm always wondering why this thing is shifting. Oh, okay. That makes sense, I guess. Okay, shift it. Okay. So what next? Yeah, this thing I want to probably have like a put it vertically. Lamp. export, GLTF, save, export. Go to Blender. So maybe spread them out like this. Okay, import GLTF, lamp, import, and yeah, so like maybe I'll put lamp here. And that's it. I think oh yeah, textures. So external data, pack resources. You know, I should probably fix that exterior what the metal. So probably should delete that. Maybe go to texture paint, metal occlusion. So let's go to unused data, images, metal occlusion, delete. Okay, go back to scenes, view layer, save, layout, save. Oh, what? I messed up something. Why this one is metal? Will your game be similar to in mechanics to another game, something like Zelda? It's action RPG mechanics, so I'm kind of aiming to have action RPG mechanics. Light blue plastic, maybe. I do not know what just happened with that. Maybe I'll just re-import it. So I'm kind of trying to do action RPG game mechanics. The difference is going to be I want to have way less choice, going to give way less choice to players. So in modern action RPG games, it's a lot of a lot of different stats. I mean, even not in modern, even like in classic action RPG games, there is a lot of stats, right? Like there is a stamina, there is a dexterity, there is a strength, I don't know, like intelligence, and every time then you leveling up, you're kind of picking it up. And for me, I feel it's very annoying for me when I'm playing. I like to play, but like I don't want to mess around with stats. I just want to go and squash mobs. So in my game, it's not going to be like this. All stats are going to be advanced automatically every time then you level up. As well, like loot drops. It's like then I'm playing, for example, World of Warcraft. I'm just like grabbing everything and then go to town or like get the vendor and spending like an enormous amount of time figuring out what is trash, what is not trash. It takes like quite an effort. And I mean, that part is not very annoying, but as well I'm going to have only 3 types of loot, and then you can combine these 3 types during the crafting and make all different items. So the kind of core of the game is going to be action RPG game, but I want to have reduced choice action RPG game, if it makes sense. Okay, let's re-import SM lamp, import. Okay, external data, pack resources, unpack resources. So there is lamp. Okay, so let's add lamp. Process sci-fi props. Sort lines. Compile. Run editor. Okay, so I guess I'll put next to all doors lamps, lamp, and I'm just going to it's interesting that auto leveling stat seems like it's more from older games, JRPG usually maybe. Yeah, I'm not familiar. I did not play too much JRPG, so I'm not familiar with the game mechanics of JRPG. So I'm wondering, maybe I should make it bigger, right? Something like this. What I want to do, I'm wondering if duplicate does work. Let me see. So I'm going to add them. Oh, I have only spotlight. It doesn't matter. I guess I'll add spotlight for now. So I'm wondering if I do duplication. So let me change this spotlight to light and then put it inside the SM lamp. Spotlight, point. Oh, there is no point light. I don't know. I guess point light. Radius 5. Rotation shadowcaster. There is no shadow casting. Color completely white. I do not think there is angle neither, right? So let me see if it's not going to crash. Yeah, it did crash. Okay. Let me see what properties point light has. Color radius, shadow enabled, self-illumination. Self-illumination. False, shadow enabled, false, radius, color radius, shadow enabled, self-illumination. Why did you crash? It was capitalization was wrong. Okay, so there is that I know, maybe I should make it like 2 meters radius. Anyways, I'm going to put it here. Position 0. Okay, I guess it's kind of cool. So let's see. Oh yeah, duplication is working. That's cool. So let's see. Debug lights. So I guess radius 5 is fine, I think, but maybe I want to make it a little bit dimmer. So let's try that. Does not understand. I don't know. 0.1 is too little, I guess. Let's try 0.2. Two, 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 two. I don't know. I think it's too little. Let's try 4. Yeah, I think 4 is working. Okay, so I'm going to start duplicating them. Um, it's so let me show you. So I'm going to have 8 types of weapons, three types of melee. One is projectile. So this one is going to be, I do not know actually. Like in my mind right now, it's going to be sort of the fog, which will just go and make the mobs kind of stand, and they are going to just stand and lose the health. So this was just classic fireball. This is AoE vortex, so tornado. So you send the tornado and it's just randomly move on the ground and hit mobs. And this one is I can actually demonstrate. This one is implemented. So it looks like this. It's just like a fireball, but like a slower cooldown, and it has AoE as well. Yeah, thank you, Iron. Okay, so lights, microscope. Oh yeah, vent. So I have vent. Oh, I'm very curious how this one is going to look. In the game. So let me try to do that. And I can put like several elements inside. So let me see, because I did not implement transparency. So how my so I have like a dithering transparency. So I'm wondering how it's going to look like with dithering transparency. Export GLB. So like this is a glass capsule. Save. Plant grower capsule. But in my game, it's going to try to grow elements like entropy, harmony, or essence. Okay, so let me just stage all on-stage changes. So on that this one I'm going to delete, but not now. Plant grower capsule. So let's go import GLB plant grower capsule, import. Okay, so let's put it here, and then pack resources and unpack resources, then save. So things are looking good, and assembler grower capsule, update in the process assets. So let's put them somewhere. Let's put it here. Plant grown capsule. Look, it's actually looks very nice. I maybe put it like this. It's not too bad. Just with dithering transparency. Oh, maybe I should do it like this, yeah. Wow. I'm quite surprised. It's not too bad. Okay, so entropy. So maybe put like a multiple. Yeah. Maybe put them higher. I am moving it the wrong direction. So okay, so this is essence, right? So I'm going to put essence, essence. Okay, and harmony. So let's see how it's going to look in game from first person perspective. I guess it's okay. It's like it immediately makes a room looks empty. So without that, it did not feel empty. But now I have that, it feels like I need to add more. And obviously I do need to add more. So probably some table and stuff on the table. But feels like I'm kind of running out of steam. So let's see what assets we have. So microscope, that one. Yeah, this table. The shape of the room can help. What is that room meant to be? So it's a cave, right? And the idea of the cave, the cave has healing crystals, and there is a alien scientist, like I'm alien as well, find this cave and start doing experiment around, right? And he brought a bunch of equipment and was doing experiment with crystals, and crystals start affecting him, and he start turning into the stone monster, which essentially he turned into the Crystal Sanctuary Guardian. I mean, I can show the guy. I'm going to die. Oh wait. And show the Guardian. So he tried to kind of send a message to his people, to alien people, about what's going to happen, but it did not happen. The message kind of stuck in between. So nobody knows about this thing. So it has to be sort of a lab, alien lab. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly run down and run away from the spiders.
Systems enhanced.
So this is the Crystal Sanctuary Guardian. So this is the alien scientist, which if experiments kind of oh yeah, I disabled his AI, so he's not attacking. Anyways, I guess I mean, it's kind of, I'm planning to add the table, so adding the table may help, and maybe like sort of that stuff, but I guess I'll do it tomorrow, next time, because I'm kind of running out of steam. So let me commit that changes. Textures and cool enemies. Thank you. That plant grow capture, and I'm going to delete that, everything from that. Yeah. Peace out. Yeah. So I'm going to make the let me do like a last check how it's going to look like in the game. It's like what kind of progress I made. So I put that stuff, put these lights, cable here, cable here, and then go inside. There is those stuff here and here, and this like a bioreactor here. Yeah. Oh, and that one. So yeah, so like screw feels empty. So probably I'll put like a table and chair here. Maybe that would help. Yeah. Okay. Let's commit changes and add. So what did I add? I guess if I look at the JSON, that would be the best way to know what I added. Pillar. Cables. Port for elemental. Elements. House detail. I guess like add props to crystal sanctuary, pillars, cables, pots for elements, house detail, lamps, bioreactor. I think that was the last one. Yeah.
Add props to Crystal Sanctuary. Pillars. Cables. Pots for elements. Elements. House details. Lamps. Bioreactor.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.